Let us start designing a moving vehicle in C language using computer graphics. Moving vehicle. The basic thing required is header file section, then graphics.h it's required, main function. If you have already seen my videos and you know how to start with the program, int gd is equal to detect and gm. These two contents are required. Then initialization of the graph is required. First is address of GT, then address of GM, turbo C3, BGI. This path may vary according to your system. Get CH, and load graph. These are the basic contents. Suppose we have to design the vehicle. Let us declare some more variables I, J, mid X, mid Y. Suppose these variables are required. As I am designing, I am going to design my program with the use of these variables I and J, mid X and mid Y. These contents are for maximum value of X divided by 2 and then maximum value of Y divided by 2. Let us start designing the content. Line 40, 380, 77, 380. I have written all these documentary points on my copy. You can design accordingly. Let's execute the program. This line is there, this basic line. What is the meaning of this? Starting point is 40, 380, 77, 380. At the top left corner, we have to start with 0, 0. And when we move from left to right side, the value of X increases. When we move from top to bottom, value of Y increases. Accordingly, you can design your points. Suppose right here 123, 380, 187, 380, another line 233, 380. You can simultaneously try this program on your system so that you can learn how to program. These lines can be drawn according to your choice. I am designing the vehicle in one way. You can design the vehicle in other design. Forty, 380, 40, and 300. Let us execute the program. Yes, some base contents are there. Next one is line 240, 380, 240, 280. You have to write all these points on copy first of all, or on graph paper, so that you can clearly indicate what to do. 210, 380, 0, 68, and 100. The coordinates of arc are, first 2 points are center, and then next value 0 to 68, it's angular conversion, and 100 is radius. One more arc, 210, 380, 0, 70, and 107. Let us execute the program. Some contents are ready. Design one rectangle, 240, 280, 247, and 380. Execute again. Upper part is almost ready, and you have to prepare the wheel also. One more thing I'm using here, j is equal to 1, j less than equal to 30, j is equal to j plus 4. I am going to design some lines on the back side of the vehicle. Line 40 plus j, 310 plus j, 240 plus j, and 310 plus j. The content is required is only 40 here and 240 here. Let's execute the program. Yes, the back side of the vehicle is almost ready. Now let's start designing the wheels. Suppose I'm writing the code, fill ellipse 100, 380, 20, 20. So execute the program. Yes, one wheel is ready. Suppose I'm using here set fill style 9,6. If you are unknown about this content, please read about this content. What is the meaning of 9 and what is the meaning of 6? One thing is for first number is for designing purposes, and second number is for color. You can see here the detail set fill style. First number is for pattern and second number is for color. You can change the pattern accordingly. Let's execute the program. Yes, one beautiful design is there inside. Fill ellipse 210, 380, 20 and 20. Execute the program again. I think front vehicle. Then one more tire is required. Fill ellipse 270, 380, 20 and 20. I am increasing the value of x continuously. First value was 100, 200, 10 and 270. Execute. Yes. Then so I am writing here 4 and yellow. So execute the program. Yes, it's beautiful. Now the base is required. That's road is required. 9, 6. Then the code of bar is required. 0, 400. Get max x and 415. 0 to maximum value of x is required here. Yes, road is also ready. Now the required thing is main how to move this vehicle. Insert all the code into for loop. I is equal to 0. I less than equal to, let us say, 300. I plus plus. Insert all the content into this for loop. Closing bracket is required here. Then you can write here if I is equal to 300, that's last value. You have to break the continuation, and each time you have to clear the previous screen. Execute the program. Vibration is there, but movement is not there. Just check the program. Okay. In each coordinate, you have to add the value of I, x coordinate, first value, add this value, add I here, I here. You can quickly add value of I to the value of x coordinate. Because we have to move this vehicle forward, if I write -I, it will move backward, and if I add the value of I to the y coordinate, then it will move downward. Here the value addition of I is also required in for loop. You have to add I to all the values of x so that it will move forward. Let us execute the program. Yes, it's moving. Hope you enjoy my video. Thank you.